How you do the measurements?
All Nyanam.
On Yanam.
No, Alu. He's sleeping there, huh?
Measurements. On Yanam, no alivu. Okay, so that's the milk. Just boil. Then you fry this for 5 minutes. The cashew nuts, the raisins, and the vermicelli. And then after that, what do you do? Vermicelli, like the other one. Then you take the sago. Okay, after that, what do you do? What do you do after that? First tell.
After that, I put inside, boil.
What you
then
put inside?
Sugar, put everything inside lah.
Which one first?
This one, sagu first.
Okay, sagu.
Okay.
Clean lah. Must wash it first and then take out the water there.
I tell you, I don't know.
How you put inside? Oh, like that, yeah.
Yes.
This is your hand.
That's my hand. Big hand.
Okay. Gee, என்னடி?
You say okay somehow.
And then you put this one in.
Yes.
And then what else? You put salt in.
Yes, salt. And then
How you put the salt? How you measure the salt?
just
Agak-agak lah.
agak-agak only.
Then how you measure the sugar?
Also agak-agak.
Masa agak-agak lah. No purple ah?
No purple. No parat.
என்ன?
No parat. Parat.
Okay, right?